Morning students, you are most welcome to the language class. Today we are doing grammar, that is chapter 2 singular and plural. In our last class we have read about nouns. There we have read about countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable noun means which we can count, and uncountable nouns that we cannot count. And countable nouns are divided into two kinds. They are singular, that means one, and plural, that means more than one. That means 2, 3, 4, 10, 100, anything. Okay. So here, see, underline the nouns in these sentences below. I can see a duck. See, the duck is underlined. It is showing the one. There are two ducks. Ducks, D-U-C-K-S. So it is the plural form of duck. Number 2, I have a doll. She has many dolls. So you have to underline doll and dolls. She has a pet. I have two pets. So pet and pets, underline it. Did you notice that there is only one duck and two ducks? We add s to duck, doll and pet to mean more than one. We say ducks, dolls and pets. So we are adding s with the noun and we are making it plural, or we are showing it more than one. Next, the yellow box. Singular noun refers to one of something. That means it shows one thing. Plural noun refers more than one of the same thing. Okay. Next, if there is more than one of the same object, we normally add s or es after the word. Example: tree, trees; road, roads; bridge, bridges. Listen: bridge, bridges; house, houses; bench, benches; class, classes. See the green box. To change nouns ending with ch, dge, s, ss, x, z, zz into plurals, we add es. For example, bridge, bridge. We are adding bridges, bridges. Match, 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 matches, matches. Bus, buses; box, boxes. So if the words are ending with ch, dge, s, ss, x, z, zz, then we have to add es to make them plural. Okay, some examples are given below. Bell, bells; pen, pens; bush, bushes; church, churches; and bus, buses. You have to learn this one. Okay, now I am giving you some examples. Remember that some nouns have the same form to show one and to show many. Some nouns never changes. For example, one ship, many sheep; one deer, many deer. We will not add any s with ships. No, the plural form of the ship is ship only. Deer, deer. Some such other nouns: equipment, apparatus, furniture, aircraft, music, this we cannot change into plural. The form of the singular and plural are same. Given below are some of the ways in which the number of a noun may be changed from singular to plural. Usually, we simply add s to the singular. That we have learnt before. We add only s to the nouns to make it plural from the singular. Cow, cows; leg, legs; week, weeks; month, months. To nouns ending in ch, sh, as, ss or x, we add es to the singular. Match, matches. See, it is ending with ch. Class, ending with double s, we are adding es. Ending with sh, bush, bushes; box, boxes, gas, gases, fox, foxes. Here are some more rules over here. It is not in your book, but you have to learn these things. That's why I have given you. When the noun ends in Y, we drop the Y and add IES. Baby, babies. Lorry, lorries. See, Y is disappearing. We are removing Y and making it IES. Lady, ladies. Lorry, lorries. Fly, flies. Fairy, fairies. See, F-A-I-R-Y, fairy, F-A-I-R-I-E-S, fairies. C-U-R-R-Y, curry, C-U-R-R-I-E-S, curries. Next, if there is a vowel before the Y, we add only S to the singular. If there will be a vowel before the Y, then we will not change it into IES. It will be, we will add only S. For example, ray, rays, key, keys. You have to read the spelling. Okay, you have to learn these things. Day, days, boy, boys, tray, trays, toy, toys. When a noun ends in for FE, we drop them. We drop the F for or FE and add VES. Half, halves. Life, lives. Thief, thieves. Knife, knives. Leaf, leaves. Wolf, wolves. Read the spellings. But we simply add S to some nouns ending with F or FE. But these things, this is the exceptional case. There we will add only S, not VES. They are roof, roofs, safe, safes, ship. This one is safe and this one is chef. Okay. SAF is safe. CHIF, chef. Chef means those who cooks. And here is safe means safety. Cliff, cliffs. Okay. Next. To some nouns ending in F, we can add VES or S, that is the noun have two plural forms. For example, dwarf, dwarfs or dwarves. Hoof, hoofs or hoofs. If you will write DWARFS, that will be also correct. If you will write DWARVES, that also will be correct. Okay. Next, to some nouns ending with O, we simply add we simply add S. Kilo, kilos, piano, pianos, radio, radios, stereo, stereos, photo, photos, shampoo, shampoos. Please read the spelling from the PDF. I am telling you but again and again. But to some nouns ending in O, we have to add ES. Potato, potatoes. Tomato, tomatoes. Hero, heroes. Okay, read the rest one. To some nouns ending in O, we can add S or ES. Both we can add. Volcano, see the spelling of volcano is VOLCANOS, or we can add VOLCONES. CANOES, volcanoes. So both are correct. Read the spelling from the PDF. In the case of some nouns, we form the plural by adding EN. Child, children. Ox, oxen. Brother, brethren. These things, these are the out of the rules. You have to learn all these things. Okay. Some nouns form their plural a little differently. Foot, fit. Tooth, teeth. Goose, geese. Man, men. Mouse, mice. Woman, woman. More are there, but for your class it is enough. Read from there. Okay. Now we will do the let's practice. Make plurals of the nouns given below. Brother, brothers. Box, boxes. Radish, radishes. You will do by yourself. You will not ask anyone. An answer key I will send you afterwards. Read the following passage. As you read, underline all the plurals in the passage. So you have to read the passage, you have to underline the plurals. Here one is done for you. Sometimes he works for days to stitch smart hats, underline the hats for ladies, and rest of the things you will do by yourself in your book. And next day I will send the answer key, then you will check. Here see, you have to make the plurals of the given nouns. Okay, hat, hats, you have to write here in the first column, HATS. Lady, ladies is done. Cap, caps, caps will be also in the first column, CAPS. Wife, wives, it is done. Key, keys, KEYS, it will be also in the first column, and rest you will do by yourself. Okay, next, when we make plurals from singular, the spelling of plurals change according to the vowels or consonant coming at the end of the word. For nouns ending with a consonant Y, the plural is formed by changing Y into IES. Okay, like fly, flies. FLY, fly, FLIES, flies. Cherry, cherries. CHERRIES, cherries. Number C, berry, berries. BERRY is there. We have to write BERRIES. Y will be omitted. Read the blue box over there. The English alphabet has both consonants and vowels. While A, E, I, O, U are vowel letters, the rest, the letters are consonant. So this one you will do by yourself. Here it is given. The noun ending with a vowel Y, the plural is found by simply adding S. Yes, here we will not change. We will just write as it is and we will write S. We will not change Y into I. Ray, rays, toy, toys, tray, trays. TRAYS, TOYS, RAYS. We will not make the change of the Y. Okay. Next, most nouns found ending in FE or F form the plural by changing FE or F into VES. For example, leaf will be leaves. LEAF, leaf. You have to write LEAVES, leaves. Knife, KNIFE. You have to write KNIVES, knives. Loaf, loaves. LOAF, loaf. LOAVES, loaves. Okay. So, read the chapter, read the PDF. Try to understand. If you have any problem, jot it down. That means write in a paper, in a copy, and then you will ask in the live class. Okay, and do these activities in the book only. Do these activities in the book. Okay, till the next class. Goodbye. Have a nice time.